All right, folks, buckle up. Or better yet, plug in. Because today, we're counting down the most reliable EVs of 2025. These aren't your flaky X's of the electric world. Oh no. These babies are the kind of cars that text you back, show up on time, and don't mysteriously lose 20% of their battery just because it's a little chilly outside. If you've ever asked which EV won't ghost me on the highway, this list is for you. Number 12. Toyota BZ4X, from $43,000 to $49,000. Let's face it, the name BZ4X sounds like your cat walked across the keyboard. But behind that baffling badge is classic Toyota reliability wrapped in an electric shell. This EV isn't trying to be cool, it just is dependable. It's like the electric version of your responsible friend who packs snacks for a road trip and always remembers your birthday. With a comfortable ride, solid range, and zero drama, the BZ4X is all about showing up and getting the job done. Think of it as an electric Corolla that once took a salsa class. Practical with a subtle twist of fun. It won't win races, but it'll win your trust. Simple, sensible, and always there when you need it. Thinking about the BZ4X? Hit like, subscribe, and spark up your EV journey. Number 11. The Hyundai Kona Electric, from $34,000 to $38,000. The Hyundai Kona Electric is that low-key legend of a friend. Early to everything, snack ready, and actually helpful during a move. Compact, yet clever. It's like if MacGyver built an EV with a charging cable and a Swiss Army knife. It's not trying to be flashy, but it nails practicality with style. With a solid range and comfy interior, the Kona is perfect for city zipping and weekend escapes. I once took it on a long road trip and didn't yell at it once. No range anxiety, no confusing buttons, just smooth sailing. That kind of chill deserves more than praise. It deserves a bumper sticker that says, "Not today, EV drama." If you want a no-nonsense ride that never lets you down, this one's a keeper. Number 10. The Kia Niro EV, from $40,000 to $45,000. The Kia Niro EV is proof that glow-ups are real. Kia used to be the underdog, and now it's rolling out EVs that punch way above their weight. The Niro blends hatchback practicality with battery-powered reliability in a package that's more efficient than flashy. It's the kind of car that doesn't need to shout. It just quietly crushes your daily drive. I once stuffed a used IKEA desk in the back and still had room for snacks. Didn't even fold the seats, just slid it in like it belonged there. It's not trying to be a spaceship, it just works. If you're after an EV that's more about getting the job done than posing for selfies, the Niro EV is your humble, hard-working hero. Reliable, roomy, and refreshingly normal. Number 9. The Nissan Leaf, from $29,000 to $37,000. The Nissan Leaf is the elder statesman of EVs, the wise grandparent of the electric world. While everyone else was arguing over hybrids or gas, the Leaf just quietly got on with the job, silently cruising through neighborhoods like it's on a stealth mission. It's not flashy, it's not fast, but it's stubbornly reliable, like that one toaster in your kitchen that's outlived 2 apartments at a breakup. This Leaf doesn't try to impress with gimmicks. It just gets you there, every time. It's the car equivalent of don't fix what isn't broken. And that's exactly why it's still going strong in 2025. Simple, affordable, and proof that being the first doesn't mean being forgotten. It means setting the bar and watching the rest catch up. Number 8. The BMW i4, from $53,000 to $69,000. The BMW i4 is like a perfectly tailored suit with a PhD in engineering. Sleek, smart, and smoother than your favorite latte. It's where German precision shakes hands with electric ambition. And the result is a ride so refined, it practically glides on compliments. Sure, it's packed with tech that probably knows your Spotify preferences before you do, but it's the reliability that steals the show. No tantrums in the winter. No mysterious warning lights. Just consistent, confident driving. A friend once took it on a 3-state trip and never had to Google anything except best road trip snacks. That's the dream, right? If you want an EV that's luxury without the drama, brains with serious beauty, the i4 delivers quietly, confidently, and without ever ghosting you on the highway. Number 7. The Kia EV6, from $45,000 to $61,000. The Kia EV6 is the kind of car that walks into a room or parking lot and instantly makes everyone else feel underdressed. It's sleek, sporty, and gives off mysterious vigilante energy if Batman needed trunk space and lower emissions. This EV charges faster than your phone during a blackout, and Kia's recent glow-up in the reliability department means it's not just good-looking, it's trustworthy too. Driving the EV6 feels like you've unlocked a secret level in adulthood, where practicality meets, dang, I look cool. Even when you're just pulling into Costco for dog food and existential dread, the EV6 makes it feel like a grand arrival. It's stylish without trying, speedy without sweating, and stable like your friend who actually owns a toolbox. Cool, fast, and no drama. Just how we like our heroes. Number 6. The Hyundai Ioniq 6, from $42,000 to $57,000. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 is what happens when someone designs a car while sipping green tea in a soundproof room. It's minimalist, elegant, and so clean it could probably Marie Kondo your glove box. Every curve feels intentional. Every drive feels like you've just aced life. The cabin whispers calm, and the car itself basically nods approvingly at your life choices. And when it comes to reliability, Hyundai is not just ahead of the curve. They're folding origami out of the rule book while everyone else is still arguing over plug types. The Ioniq 6 isn't flashy. It's confident. Like a Scandinavian architect in loafers, it's built by people who clearly drive, not just sketch cool shapes in boardrooms. Smart, serene, and solid as ever, this is your EV if you want brains, beauty, and the chill of 1,000 meditation apps. Number 5. The Tesla Model 3, from $42,000 to $55,000. Ah yes, the Tesla Model 3, once the rebellious teenager of the EV world, now the surprisingly reliable adult who's into smart thermostats and meal prepping. It had a bumpy start. Remember when the door handles needed a therapy session? But in 2025, it's smooth, solid, and shockingly dependable. Like boxed wine in a crystal decanter, it's refined. Enough. With zippy acceleration, regular over-the-air updates, and a range that won't leave you sweating on the side of the freeway, the Model 3 is finally delivering on all that hype. Sure, it needs a Wi-Fi signal to change a setting or sneeze properly, but that's just part of the charm. If you want a car that's tech-savvy, quick, and finally acting like it's got its life together, this is the one to swipe right on. Number 4. The Kia EV9, from $56,000 to $73,000. The Kia EV9 isn't just an SUV. It's a rolling command center disguised as a spaceship. This thing is big, bold, and built like it's ready to transport your family to another galaxy, or at least soccer practice. It's what happens when Kia stares at Tesla and says, "Hold my juice box." With a cavernous interior that could comfortably fit your in-laws and their emotional baggage, plus a range that's road trip ready, the EV9 is the electric tank we didn't know we needed. It's got the tech, the comfort, and the muscle to haul kids, dogs, camping gear, and your unassembled IKEA desk with grace. It looks like it belongs in a Marvel movie, but it drives like a Zen master. If you want family-friendly without the vanilla, this is your EV mothership. Number 3. The Lucid Air, from $71,000 to $250,000. The Lucid Air is the EV equivalent of ordering caviar on a Tuesday. It's for the bougie, the bold, and the "I'd like to glide, not drive" crowd. Every detail is polished, every button feels expensive, and the tech so advanced it might accidentally launch a satellite. With a range that outpaces your step count for the month, it's one of the few EVs that can make Tesla owners do a double take. Lucid may be the new kid on the block, but they skipped the awkward phase and went straight to CEO mode. It's like an electric Bentley, but with better manners and less aristocratic sighing. Best part, it doesn't just look good, it's built to last. If luxury and logic had a love child, it'd be named Lucid. And yes, it probably comes with complimentary sparkling water. Number 2. The Tesla Model Y, from $47,000 to $56,000. The Tesla Model Y is the Model 3's cooler, buffer sibling, the one who meal preps, does yoga at dawn, and still has time to send memes. It's the golden child of the Tesla lineup, and for good reason. Spacious enough to haul groceries, gym gear, and your ambitions, yet agile enough to zip through traffic like it's playing Mario Kart. With Tesla's ever-evolving software updates and a battery that doesn't flinch at long commutes, the Model Y has proven it's more than a one-hit wonder. Uber drivers love it. Parents love it. People who accidentally became car people love it. It's the Swiss Army knife of EVs. Useful, smart, and surprisingly stylish. If reliability were a sport, the Model Y would be on the podium holding a plant-based protein shake. Number 1. The Hyundai Ioniq 5, from $41,000 to $56,000. Behold, the reigning monarch of electric reliability in 2025, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. This EV is the full package, the blueprint, the "I've arrived" moment of electric driving. It looks like a retro concept car dreamt up in a neon-soaked future, but it drives like comfort and common sense got married. The interior, spacious enough to host a small yoga retreat. The charging, so fast you barely finish your podcast. And the battery, solid enough to be used as the foundation of a small cabin. Every review is glowing. Every owner sounds suspiciously happy. And even my cat, who hates change, started purring when I rolled up in one. Hyundai didn't just make a car, they made an EV manifesto. Stylish, practical, ultra-reliable. If electric vehicles had royalty, the Ioniq 5 would be wearing the crown, and probably wirelessly charging it too. And there you have it, 12 of the most reliable EVs of 2025, ranked, roasted, and celebrated. Whether you're all about range, ride comfort, tech toys, or just want a car that won't ghost you on a cold Monday morning, there's something on this list for you. Remember, buying an EV isn't just about saving the planet. It's about updating your daily drive from meh to heck yeah. If one of these beauties caught your eye, drop it in the comments below. I want to know your top pick. Smash that like button like it's your charging plug at 1% battery. Subscribe for more electric goodness. And hit the bell so you never miss a jolt of EV insight. Until next time, stay charged, stay curious, and may your range anxiety be forever zero.